Row 1. Text, Notepad window, text editor, editing. Remember, this is not teaching man teacher. It is useful for recalling, when exam coming man student. Just close eyes and listen. Based on G scheme for Electronics Engineering Group. Subject, Audio Video Engineering, 17,537. These are mostly important questions which is always repeat. Form top to end it, reduce repeated changes. X question 1 is more important than 2 in notes. And note warning sign that this is not all chapter.
Audio Video Engineering Chapter 6. 1. 1. Draw a neat sketch off dish antenna and list any 4 specifications off dish antenna. 4. ANS. Any relevant diagram to be considered. 2 marks. Specification off dish antenna. Any 4. 2 marks. 1. Size 8 feet. 2. Gain 36 dB. 3. Band C-. 3.7 to 4.2 Gs downlink frequency. 4. Look angle 360 degree rotation in azimuth 0.18 to 90 degree rotation in elevation. 5. Offset angle 24.62 limit. 6. Focal length 90 cm. 7. Elevation angle range equals 17 to 90 limit. 8. Azimuth angle equals 0 to 360 degree. 9. Aperture efficiency equals 75%. 2. Draw block diagram of DT system and explain its operation. 4. ANS. 2 marks. DT services Theonian with a large number of channels are digitally compressed, encrypted and beamed from very high power satellites. The programs can directly receive the phones. This mode of reception facilitate test use of small receiving dish antennas of 45 to 60 km diameter installed at convenient location in individual buildings without need ingelaborate foundation or spaceek. Also. DTH transmission eliminate Tesla cal cable operator complete leasing CN individual series. Direct like connected OE service providers. DT his contrasticable TV lends itself to a simonitor ingen control. As mentioned at above, all the encoded transmission signals are digital, thus providing higher resolution picture quality and better audio than traditional on analog signals. A DT network consists of broadcasting inter-satellites, encoders, multiplexers, modulators and DT receivers. Audio Video Engineering Chapter 6. 2. 3. Draw typical cable TV network plan and state the function of different piece of amplifiers in cable T system. ANS. Trunk amplifier 1 mark. Trunk amplifiers with equalizers are used at regular intervals in the trunk system to overcome the losses in the cable, which increases towards the high end of the spectrum. These trunk liner repeaters providing gain of about 20 dB, compensate the corresponding loss of visible run of about 600 m, depending on the type of cable used and maintained. He signal level 1 to 3 MV. Bridging amplifier 1 mark. Bridging amplifier is said for feeding the branch lines from the main trunk, distributing the signal to subscriber drops. Average amplifier, sometimes associated with trunk amplifier, providing gain of about 20 to 40 dB, to feed the signals to a subscriber cables through directional couplers and signal splitters which provide isolation from reflections or interferences coming from subscriber set. Line amplifier 1 mark. Line amplifiers are inserted in the branch line to make for the cable losses that connects the distribution system. Typical gain is 20 to 40 dB. Audio Video Engineering Chapter 6. 3. 4. State importance of LNBC. Draw block diagram of LNB and explain its working in detail. 4. ANS. Importance of LNBC 2 marks. Itis the device in the front of a satellite dish that receives the very low level microwave signal from the satellite, amplifies it, changes the signals to lower frequency band and sends them down the cable to the indoor receiver. This down conversion allows the signal to be carried to the indoor satellite TV receiver using relatively coaxial cable. If the signal remained at its original microwave frequency, it would require an expensive and impractical wave guideline. Diagram. Explanation. 2 marks. Dishanton and feed horn. A feed horn is actually a fluorescent pen waveguide section which is mounted at focal point and its function is to receive a signal is reflected towards it but that delivers the to the close to locate didn't call it as low noise block converter, LNBC. Low noise amplifier, LNA. The CV collected by the feed horn is fed to LNA which is specially designed to provide enogen which maintains maximum possible S/N ratio. Mixer, down converters. Mixer translate test incoming microwave signals to lower frequency range of 950-1450 MHz. The size achieved by mixing local oscillator frequency of 5150 M is at mixer and select and gone lie the difference from output. Band pass filter, ABP fat the output mixer separatest the wanted IF signals from other signals. Multistage IF amplifier. It amplifies the down converted signal sent then sent through high grade coaxial cable to the Cctv. Audio Video Engineering Chapter 6. 4. 5. Drawblock diagram of closed circuit TV, CCTV, system and explain function of each block. ANS, block diagram of CCT system, 2 marks. Closed circuit television, CCTV, 2 marks. Closed circuit television, CCTV, are used for industrial applications, security and surveillance, education and training, public information displays and many others. In some of the above mentioned applications, CCTV are characterized by its complex circuitry and low cost where professional grade A broadcast standards are not required. In CCTV, the pickup camera to best generalized derived for industrial and medical. X-ray applications, plumbican is used for eyelight applications, multi-diode silicon vidicone and charge couple device camera are used for security and surveillance. Solid-state circuitry used in the camera and the display units. Considerable simplification is possible due to random interlace system and la simple TP signal waveform calidas industrial sync. In case of closed circuit television, composite video signals are not modulated. The are direct lifted to the video receivers. CCTV does not follow the television broadcast standards. The block diagrams for direct camera link and wireless link are haunen. Figure 6. Draw the block diagram of emitter with neat label. 5. ANS correct diagram, 4 marks. 7. Draw the layout diagram for distribution of cable connection for MAT and describite. 5. ANS diagram, 2 MKS, explanation, 2 MKS. Audio Video Engineering Chapter 6. 5. Master antenna TV system is said to deliver a strong signal, over 1 MV. It is delivered from any ordinary antenna to every television receiver connected with system. This type of system is implemented in areas where signal strength is less. It is generalized in large hotels, motels as chills and apartment building. Master a common antenna, only ordinary antennas are usually located near rooftop. The number of antennas is dependent on available telecast and their direction. Each antenna is directive and properly oriented. Balun, MATV system is shaving impedance of 75 omega. Mistoft antenna having impedance of 300 omega. Booleanish is said to match balance and ton balanced coaxial cable. It is a matching transformer. Hybrid, antenna outputs feed into four-way hybrid. A hybrid is a signal combining signal linear mixer. It provides suitable impedance matches to prevent standing waves produced. The standing waves results in ghost images. Amplifiers. There are two types of amplifiers. Onisbri amplifier wikisloan was amplifier to keep rigat the antenna. Theatharissa Huygen amplifier called as distribution amplifier. Itis use it to boost the signal to compensate the loss which would occur in the distribution cables. It provides acceptable signal to either receiver in the system. Audio Video Engineering Chapter 6. 6. Couple roar splitter. Coupler roar splitter is a coupling device which splits the signal to feed to the main branch lines. The output from distribution amplifier is fed to splitter strof coaxial trunk lines. A splitter is a resistive inductive device. It provides trunk line isolation and impedance matching. Subscriber taps. Each branch line service several homes. Coaxial distribution branch lines corride televisions and all. The output off splitter is delivered to subscriber through tap offs. The subscriber taps can be transformer coupled capacitive coupled or resistive pads. Theta provides isolation from other receiver on the same entrance. This prevents mutual interference. Thetaps look like kickouts. The air mounted normally in the wall. Wall taps may be obtained with 300 output or 75 tap with a matching transformer is preferred. The matching transformer is mounted 8th and 10A terminal off hair receiver. It will have a VHF output and UHF output. TV receivers. Themodilated ratio frequency carrier is fed to a individual TV receiver. It is fed from respective at a ping on Thebron Klein. The feeder is soft wind feeder type or coaxial cable. Its impedance is matched with impedance of TV receiver. Terminal resistance. The improperly terminated line is develop standing waves. Each branch line should be properly terminated. For this, the end of each 75 distribution cable is terminated with 75 resistor is called terminator. 8. Describe the need of multiplexer and attenuator in cable TV. 4. ANS need of multiplexer and attenuator 2 marks each. Need of multiplexer. In cable distribution center many canal signals are separated, modulated and frequency isolate to each channel. Now to distribute this channel to as many canal signal must put into a single cable. So multiplexer gives an output from any signal. Need of attenuator. To equalize the signal. To mix T signal at different proportion. Reduce as distance C by specific value which is expressed in B. Audio Video Engineering Chapter 6. 7. 9. What is CCTV? Statitis. Compare CCTV with MATV. Any 4 points. 2. ANS definition 2M. Use 2M. Difference point 4M. CCTV stands for closed circuit television. CCTVs are used for industrial applications, security and surveillance, education and training, public information displays and many others. 10. What is antenna shaving parabolic shape and mesh surface? 2. ANS. While installing the dish antenna look angles are taken into consideration. Once look angle adjusted installation should not be disturbed due to atmospheric change slickerain. Wind theory is a possibility of canjine look angle of dish, duetto meshy structure. Rain and wind will go through holes by keeping fixed position off dish antenna. The parabola is a plane curve defined as the locus off point which moves at the tights distance from another point, called epicus, plus its distance from a straight line, directrix, is constant. These geometric properties yield an excellent microwave or light reflector. 11. Compare CATV and CCTV, any 4 points. Audio Video Engineering Chapter 6. 8. 12. Explain working principle of two-way and three-way attenuator / connector required for dish antenna. 2 MEACH. Three-way connector. Three-way connector or splitter are actually a combination of two-way splitters. A three-way line splitter consists of a two-way line splitter switch on-off tebrakas being split again as shown in figure. Two-way connectors. While dividing a cable TV transmission line, special devices are used to maintain necessary impedance matching. This device are known as line splitters or simply splitters. If the splitting is done for no input to outputs, it is known as two-way splitters. These are so designed as to present a 75 ohm characteristic impedance Z0 told Ebron Kessoff T-line.